Welcome to Anyone Can Code with Akbar. So in today's video, we are going to look at how you are going to integrate Tesseract with Python. In earlier session, we installed Tesseract locally and we ran couple of commands to extract the content from the images. So it's the time to look at how we are going to integrate with Python. Okay. So in order to integrate Tesseract with Python, first thing is you have to um, install Tesseract in your machine. That is first thing. And the second thing is we need to install two Python specific libraries. Okay. So I am going to install them. So the first library is pytesseract. It means Python for Tesseract. And the second library is for image reading and manipulation. So that's called Pillow. Pillow stands for Python Image Library. So these are the two libraries we need to install using pip command. Okay. So pip install, you can install multiple commands at single shot. Py tesseract, and I'm going to install one more library called Pillow. Okay, so now install. Yeah, so my infrastructure is ready. I was installed these two softwares. Now I'm going to create a new file. Okay, so I'm just creating a name is read image data dot python. Okay, so I'm going to import. I'm going to import pytesseract, and I'm going to import one more thing is um, from will import image. Okay, so these are the two libraries which we need in order to work with Tesseract. And then I'm going to copy the images. Suppose example, I have image which contains one language, that is English, and one more image probably where did I find the Telugu content, right? So let me try to figure out. Okay, so I'm going to just simply copy these two files and keeping it in my workspace. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, fair deal. So these are the two image files that I copied here. And first step is we have to open the image. Okay, how you are going to open the image? Img image dot. We have a method called open, and you can specify the name of the particular image file which we would like to read. So in my case, I would like to read first the image dot png, and done. We are read the or open the image file, and you just simply supply this image to your tesseract. Okay, so ts py tesseract dot. So we have a whole bunch of methods we are interested in. Image to string is the method we are interested in, and which is expecting the parameter is image. Okay, so you simply go here and give the image path here. Done. And then we are going to see the content. TES. Go ahead and run this simple code, right? If you execute this Python code, you will be able to see the content which is extracted from the image. See, this is simple, right? Typically, you have written only 3 lines of code, no cosmetics and no nothing, no fancy code and things like that. It's pretty straightforward. In order to integrate Tesseract with Python, pretty straightforward. So this is how. If you look at the image content here, right? See, so this is the image content. I was extracted the content here. So if you're not specifying the language, by default, your Python script is going to take the English as the default language. So suppose example, if you look at my second image, we have the second image, right, which is in Telugu content. So how you are going to specify the language of your content, right? So simple. Now I'm going to change the name of my image, right? Done. So you are passing this image, and at the same time you have to specify the language attribute here. Lang equal to, I'm going to specify TEL, Telugu basically. And now if you try to run this code, see, we got the content was extracted if the content is in Telugu language, right? So you know already how you are going to handle if you have an image which contains multiple language. It means, suppose example, if the image contains Hindi as well as English embedded inside the same image, then probably you can simply concatenate both the languages. Like example, this, right? So this is how you are going to integrate your Tesseract with Python. Hardly 3 lines of code, and you can specify the language and image path. Then behind the scenes, it is going to extract the data and do the necessary things for you. So this is that much simple. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Going forward, we are going to execute more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.